Thanks for stopping by, guys. Today we're going to talk about dividing a decimal by a decimal, how it's going to work, how do you set up the problem, and why it works out the way it does. Come with me while we work through some examples. Decimal times a decimal. Now this is when you need to make a divisor a whole number. So you jump the decimal over, same way you did in the first problem. Jump the decimal over. It took one jump for both. And that means I'm going to have to jump the decimal of my dividend the same exact amount. Jump it over one time. Notice we're going the same direction. And now we divide. Got as many zeros as we need to. How many times can 2 go into 1? Well, it can't. 0 times 2 is 0. I subtract, bring down. Okay, I'm at my decimal point. I need to bring that decimal up. How many times can 2 go into 19? It can go in there 9 times. Yeah, 9 times 2 is 18. I subtract. 19 minus 18 is 1. Put a 0. Bring it down. How many times can 2 go into 10? It goes in there 5 times, and that works out perfectly. So my answer is 95 hundredths. Alright, jump my decimal. Now it's time to do the actual division. How many times can 6 go into 2? 0 times. 0 times 6 is 0. Subtract. Bring down my 2. If my decimal is right here in my dividend, it's got to be in the same place in my quotient. 6 can go into 22 3 times, because 3 times 6 is 18. I subtract. I get a 4. Oh, this is going to work out nice, because 6 can go into 48 8 times. And that works out perfectly. So this problem, or these types of problems, are kind of like the first one where you're gonna have to jump your divisor and then jump your